continues to live on. It is etched in our minds and our hearts for generations to come. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we pay Kumatenga Isudobunza Chente Tobunza Kudisei Wari Muchitipa Kumaya Kama Hamaze Kutinotisia Tiripiko Imemunoa Isa Kunyika Yipi Obama Kuti Hamazangu Dakafamba Shakanaka Ikayandiri Digereva Shakanaka Asiro Kwera Uramavara Chengeta Shikukumira Kuvatogi Kutirani Pepara Nitokere Pandakaba Nekutinaka Sia Vanda Bangu Vese Wananda Suamanda Wangu Gotwe Edinda Suamanda Wangu Gotwe Honanda all our great set past rest in power. Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is I'm presenting the Spoken Word Awards from Nyani Nyani Ariba. Talvin. Ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Talvin and I are here to present outstanding comedian as well as outstanding poet. So spoken word, women, we love words, and I know men also love words. Anyway, Talvin.
Mwapola muti abonse amuleke ndikubandikire mumulaka wako kunona mulichuka alimwi ulanona muli kuchi mukati kachinde chino chipaka chitwa njira echi ngamba kuti ikulira kwangenda nkwali ata chavuka ndiri mutonga kolanga chikwanda changu mumugosi akandamba. There's one thing I know people say about the Tonga people. I just don't know you are not afraid of me because people they usually say Matonga nemuswe, you understand. Tulolanga kuti katwamba spoken word mpamunyawa kuti lokuzama kuti tusumpule ibantu ibala chipo chakuberesha peni paper pen ekuti batugwasisye ekuti chionse zikuchita mpamunyawa.
Oh wow, that's incredible. That was in Tonga, and Talvin speaks 8 other languages. He's incredible. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and the nominees are
Spoken Word Awards, Outstanding Poet. Sitembele Sikoza Ndebele, aka C. singizwa nisinja. Tatenda Murigo. Spoken Word Awards. Outstanding Poet.
As you can see, it's sealed. All right, let's do this.
Step. African woman, Africa, beautiful ladies from Africa. African woman.
Yes,